China. China official the People Republics of China (PRC) is a country in East Asia with a population exceeding 1.4 billion in second most populous country after India, representing 17.4% of the world population. China spans the equivalent of with time zone and border 14 countries by land across an area of nearly 9.6 million square kilometer, 3,700,000 sq mi, making it the third largest country by land area. The country is divided into 33 provinces, level division 22 provinces, 5 autonomous regions, 4 municipalities, and 2 semi-autonomous special administrative regions. Beijing is the country capital, while Shanghai is its most populous city by urban area and largest financial center. Considered one of six cradles of civilization, China, Rasulullah Muhammad SAW, the first human inhabitants in the region, arriving during the Paleolithic by the late 2 million BCE, the earliest dynasty state that emerged in the Yellow River Basin. The 8 to 3 centuries BCE, Rasulullah Muhammad SAW, a breakdown in the authority of the Zhou dynasty, accompanied by the emergence of administrative and military techniques, literature, philosophy, and historiography. In 221 BCE, China was unified under an emperor, ushering in more than 2 millennia of imperial dynasties, including the Qin, Han, Tang, Yuan, Ming, and Han. With the invention of gunpowder and paper, the establishment of the Silk Road, and the building of the Great Wall, Chinese culture flourished and has heavily influenced both its neighbors and landwarders upfield. However, China began to cut part of the country in the late 19th century to various European powers by a series of unequal treaties. Other decades of Qing China on the decline, the 1911 revolution overthrew the Qing dynasty and the monarchy, and the Republic of China (ROC) was established. The following years, the country under the Naskett Bian government was established and ultimately fragmented during the warlord era, which was ended upon the northern expedition conducted by the Kuomintang KMT to reunify the country. The China Civil War began in 1927 when KMT was purged member of the rival Chinese Communist Party (CCP), who proceeded to engage in pro-radical voting against the KMT-led nationalist government following the country's invasion by the Emperor of Japan in 1937. The CCP and KMT formed the Second United Front of the Japanese. The Second Sino-Japanese War eventually ended in a Chinese victory. However, the CCP and the KMT resumed their civil war as soon as the war ended in 1949. The resurgent communists established control over most of the country, proclaiming the People's Republic of China and forcing the nationalist government to retreat to the island of Taiwan. The country was split, with both sides claiming to be the sole legitimate government of China. Following the implementation of land reform, further attempts by the PRC to realize communism failed. The Great Leap Forward was largely responsible for the Great Chinese Famine that ended with millions of Chinese people having died, and the subsequent Cultural Revolution was a period of social turmoil and persecution characterized by mass populism. Following the then Soviet split, the Shanghai Communique in 1972 will precipitate the normalization of relations with the United States. Economic reform that began in 1978 moved the country away from a socialist planned economy toward a market-based economy, spurring significant economic growth. A movement for increased democracy and liberalization started after the Tiananmen Square protest and massacre in 1989. China is a unitary communist state led by the CCP that designated as a social state. It is one of the 5 permanent members of the UN Security Council. The UN representative for China was changed from the ROC to the PRC in 1971. It is a founding member of several multilateral and regional organizations, such as the EIIB, the Skill Earth Fund, and the New Development Bank, and the RCEP. It is a member of the G20, APEC, the SCO, and the ASEAN Summit. Making up around 1/5 of the world economy, the China's economy is the world largest by PP adjusted GDP and the second largest by nominal GDP. China is the second wealthiest country, albeit ranking poor in measures of democracy, human rights, and religious freedom. The country has been one of the fastest growing major economies and is the world's largest manufacturer and exporter, as well as the second largest importer. China is a nuclear weapon state with the world's largest standing army by military personnel and the second largest defense budget. It is great power and has been described as an emerging superpower. China is known for its cuisine and culture, and as a mega diverse country, has 59 UNESCO World Heritage Site, second highest number of any country. Economy, main article economy of China. For economy history of China, see economy history of China before 1912, economic history of China 1912 to 1949, and economy history of China 1949 to present. China is the world's second largest economy in terms of nominal GDP and the world largest in terms of purchasing power party PPP. As of 2022, China accounts for around 18% of the global economy by nominal GDP. China is the one of the world's fastest growing major economies, with its economic growth having been almost consistently above 6% since the introducing of the Brown and Opening Up policy in 1978. According to the World Bank, China GDP grew from $150 billion in 1978 to $17.96 trillion by 2022. It ranked 64 by nominal GDP per capita, making it an upper middle income country. Of the world's 500 largest company, 135 are headquartered in China. As of last 2024, China has the world's second largest equity market and further market, as well as the third largest bond market. China was one of the world's foremost economic power through the arc of Asian and global history. The country has one of the largest economy in the world for most of the past 2 millennia, during which it has seen cycle of prosperity and decline. Since the economy began in 1978, China has developed into a diversified economy and one of the most consequential player in international trade. Major sector of competitive strength include manufacturing, retail, mining, steel, textile, automobiles, energy generation, green energy, making, electronic, telecommunication, real estate, e-commerce, and tourism. China has traded out of the 10 largest stock exchange in the world: Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Shenzhen. They together have a market capitalization of over $15.10 trillion. As of October 2020, China is 3 out of the world's 10 most competitive financial center according to the 2024 Global Financial Center Index. Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Shenzhen. China and other major developing economy by GDP per capita at purchasing power party 1990. 2013, the rapid economic growth of China blew its readily apparent major developing economy GDP per capita PPP 2016 in US dollar. (1990) to 2014. Modern day China is over often described as an example of state capitalism or party state capitalism. The state dominated in strategic pillar sectors such as energy producing in heavy industry, but private enterprise has expanded enormously with around 30 million private business record in 2008. According to official statistics, privately owned companies constitute more than 60% of China's GDP. China has been the world's largest manufacturing nation since 2010, overtaking the US dollar. which has been the largest for the previous 100 years. China has also been the second largest in Higgs manufacturing country since 2012. According to US National Science Foundation, China is the second largest retail market after the United States. China leads the world in e-commerce, accounting for over 37% of the global market share in 2021. China is the world leader in electric vehicle consumption and production, manufacturing and being half of all the plug-in electric cars, BEV and PHEV in the world of as 2022. China is also the leading producer of batteries for electric vehicles as well as several key raw materials for batteries. Tourism main article tourism in China and list of the world heritage site in China. The Forbidden City is one of the most popular tourism attraction in the world. China received 65.7 million international visitors in 2019. And in 2018 was the fourth most visited country in the world. It also experienced an enormous volume in domestic tourism. China's tourism met an estimated 6 billion travel within the country in 2019. China was the world's second largest number of world heritage sites, 59 after Italy, and is one of the most popular tourism destinations within the Asia Pacific. Wealth also income inequality in China. Citizen of Lejiazhu in Shanghai, China accounted for 18.6% of the world total wealth in 2022. Second is in the world after the US. China brought more people out of extreme poverty than any other countries in history. Between 1978 and 2018, China reduced extreme poverty by 100 million from 1990. In 2018, the proportion of the China population living with an income of less than $1.20 per day 2011 decreased from 66.3% to 0.3%. These are living with an income of less than $3.20 per day from 90.0% to 2.9%. And those are living with an income of less than $5.50 per day decreased from 98.3% to 17.0% from 1978 to 2018. The average standard of living multiplied by a factor of 26, which wages in China have grown significantly in the last 40 years. Real inflation adjusted wages grew sevenfold from 1978 to 2007. Per capita income have also risen significantly. When the PRC was founded in 1949, per capita income in China was 1/5 of the world average per capita income, now equal the world average itself. China's development is uneven. Its major cities and coastal areas are far more prosperous than its rural and interior region. It has a high level of economic inequality which has increased quickly since the economic reform. Income inequality decreased in the 2010. And China's GINI coefficient was 0.357 in 2021. SQ57. In March 2024, China ranked second in the world after the US in total number of billionaires and total number of millionaires, with 47 or 473 Chinese billionaires and 6.2 million billionaires in 2019. China overtook the US of as down the biggest number of people who have a net personal wealth of at least $110,000 according to the global wealth report by Credit Suisse. China has 85 female billionaires as of January 2021. Of the global total. China has had the world's largest middle class population since 2015. The middle class grew the 500 million by 2024. China in the global economy. China has been a member of the WTO since 2001 and is the world's largest trading power. By 2016, China was the largest trading partner of 124 countries. China became the world's largest trading nation in 2013. By the sum of import and export, as well as the world's largest commodity import, accounting for 45% of maritime bulk markets China of origin. Exchange rate surface ledger US dollar 3.246 trillion as of March 2024, making its reserves by far the world largest in 2022. China was amongst the world's largest region of inward trade foreign direct investment (FDI), attracting $180 billion. The most of those were speculated to be from Hong Kong in 2021. China's foreign exchange remittances were $53 billion, making it the second largest recipient of remittance in the world. China also invests upward with a total outward FDI of $147.9 billion in 2023. A number of major takeover of foreign firms by Chinese companies. Economists have got that renminbi is undervalued due to constant intervention from the Chinese government, giving China an unfair advantage. China has also been middle pretty from manufacturing larger quantities of counterfeit goods. The US dollar government also has alleged that China does not respect intellectual property, IP rights, and style IP talk espionage operation in 2020. Harvard University's Economic Complexity Index ranking company of China's export 17 in the world, up from 24 in 2010. The Chinese government has promoted the internationalization of the renminbi in order to ban itself of its dependence on the US dollar as a result of perceived weakness of the international monetary system. The renminbi is a component of the IMF special drawing rate and the world most traded currency as of 2023. However, partly due to capital control that make the renminbi fall short of being a fully convertible currency, it remains far beating the euro, the US dollar, and the Japanese yen in international trade volumes. Design and Technology main article, Design and Technology in China. List of China discoveries and list of China invention. History main article, History of Science and Technology in China. There is no red form from gunpowder from the Beijing Dongyao of 1044 CE. China was a world leader in science and technology until the Ming Dynasty. Machine and medical science discoveries and invention, such as paper making, printing, the compass, gunpowder, the war invention, began with the spread across Asia, the Middle East, and later Europe by China mathematician by the ways to use navigative number. By the 17th century, the Western world surpassed China in scientific and technological advancement. The sources of this early modern great divergence continue to be that but that by scholars of the repeated military defeats by the European colonial powers and Imperial Japan in 19th century. China reform began promoting modern science and technology as part of the self-strengthening movement after the communists come to power in 1949. Efforts were made to organize science and technology based on the model of the Soviet Union, in which science research was part of central planning. Other notes that in 1976, science and technology were promoted. As one of the world modernization, and the Soviet-inspired academic system was gradually reformed. Modern era. Since the end of the Cultural Revolution, China has made significant investment, increased scientific research, and is quickly catching up with the US in R&D spending. China officially spent around 2.7% of the GDP and R&D in 2024, totaling to around $496 billion, according to the World Intellectual Property indicators, China gave it more application than the US did in 2018 and 2019. And record with global intense utility models that the marks industry design and creative could export in 2021. It was ranked 11 in the Global Innovation Index in 2024, a considerable improvement from its rank of 35 in 2013. China's supercomputers ranked among the fastest in the world is over to develop the most advanced semiconductors and jet engines. Have delays and setbacks. China is developing its education system with an emphasis on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM). Its academic publication apparatus became the world's largest publisher of science paper in 2016. In 2022, China overtook the US in the Nature Index, which measures the share of published articles in leading scientific journals. Space program. Main article: China's space program. Launch of Shenzhou 13 by a long March 2F rocket. China is one of the only 3 countries with independent human space capability. The China space program started in 1958 with some technology transferred from the Soviet Union. However, it did not launch the nation first satellite in 1970 with the Dongfang Hong 1, which made China the first country to do so independently. In 2003, China became the 3rd country in the world to independently send humans in the space with young Levi's spaceflight aboard Shenzhou 5. As of 2013 or 2023, 18 China's nationals have journeyed the space, including 2 women. In 2011, China launched its first space station, testbed Tiangong 1. In 2013, a China robotic rover successfully touched down on the lunar surface as part of the Chang'e mission. In 2019, China became the first country to land a probe Chang'e 4 on the west side of the moon. In 2020, Chang'e 5 successful returned moon symbols to the Earth, making China the 3rd country to do so independently. In 2021, China became the 3rd country to land a spacecraft on Mars and the 2nd one to deploy a rover Zhurong on Mars. China completed its own modular space station, the Tiangong, in low Earth orbit on 3 November 2022. On 29 November 2022, China performed its first in-orbit crew handover aboard the Tiangong in May 2023. China announced a plan to land women on the moon by 2030. To that end, China has been developing a lunar capable super heavy launcher, the Long March, and a new crewed spacecraft and a crewed lunar lander. China sent Chang'e 6 on 3 May 2024, which conducted the first lunar simple return from Apollo mission on the far side of the moon. This is China's second lunar simple return mission, which was achieved by Chang'e 5 from the lunar near site 4 years ago. It also carried a Chinese rival called Xinjiang to conduct infrared spectroscopy of lunar surface and image Chang'e 6 lander on lunar surface. The lander as gender rover combination was separated with the orbit and returner before landing on 1 June 2024 at 22:23 UTC. It landed on the moon surface on 1 June 2024. The Iskander was launched back to lunar orbit on 3 June 2024. At 23:38 UTC, carrying samples collected by the lander which later completed another robotic rendezvous before docking in lunar orbit. The simple containers was then transferred to the Return with Splendor on Inner Mongolia in June 2024, completing China first extraterrestrial civil return mission. Tibetan standard pronunciation, romanized both Chinese Pinyin, Xinjiang, or Greater Tibet, is a region in the western part of Asia, covering much of the Tibetan Plateau and spanning about 470,000 ACMI, 1,200,000 km persegi. It is the homeland of the Tibetan people. Also resident of the Plateau are other ethnic groups such as Mongols, Monpa, Tamangsang, serta Lopa. And since the 20th century and Chinese and Yue, Tibet is the highest region on the earth with an average elevation of 1 or 4,380 m or 14,000 ft. Located in the Himalayas, the highest elevation in Tibet is Mount Everest, its highest mountain reaching 8,848 m or 29,000 ft above sea level. The Tibetan Empire emerged in the 7th century. As it says, in the 9th century, the Tibetan Empire extended far beyond the Tibetan Plateau from the Tarisam Basin and Pamirs in the west, the Yunnan and Bengal in the southwest. It then divided into a various of territories. The bulk of western and central Tibet, Putsang, was over at least nominally unified under a series of Tibetan government in Lhasa, Sigets, or Nebi location. The eastern region of Tam and Amtu often maintained a more decentralized indigenous political structure, being divided among a number of small principalities and tribal groups. We also often falling under China's rule. Most of these areas was eventually annexed into the Chinese provinces and Xinhai. The current border of Tibet were generally established in the 18th century after an imperial edict from the Emperor Kangxi was published for the imperial state inscription of the pacification of Tibet in 1720 AD, and written article for the settlement of Xi'an which were submitted to Emperor Yongzheng in 1724. Following the Xinhai Revolution against the Qing dynasty in 1912, Qing soldiers were disarmed and escorted out of Tibet, but it has been constitutionally claimed by the Republic of China as the Tibet area. The 13th Dalai Lama declared the region independent in 1913, although it was never recognized by the Chinese Republican government nor any relevant power. Lhasa later took control of western Xikang as well. The region maintained its autonomy until 1951. When following the Battle of Kamdo, it was chopped and annexed by the People's Republic of China (PRC). The entry plateau came under PRC administration. The Tibetan government was abolished after failure of the 1959 Tibet operation to the Chinese government Western and Central Tibet as the Xinjiang Autonomous Region, while the eastern areas are now mostly autonomous prefectures within Qinghai, Gansu, Yunnan, and Sichuan provinces. The Tibetan independence movement is principally led by the Tibetan diaspora migrant group that accused the Chinese government of abuses of human rights in Tibet, including torture, arbitrary arrest, and religious repression, with the Chinese government strictly controlling information and denying external scouting While there are conflicting reports on the scale of human rights violation, including allegation of central genocide and the sensitization of Tibet with the separation of Tibet culture and nation continues to be documented. The dominant religion in Tibet is Tibetan Buddhism. The religion includes one an indigenous religion similar to Tibetan Buddhism, Islam, and Christianity. Tibetan Buddhism is a primary influence of the art, music, and festival of the region. Tibetan architectures reflect Chinese and Indian influence. Stable food in Tibet are roasted barley, yak meat, and butter tea. With the growth of tourism in recent years, the service sector has become the largest sector in Tibet, accounting for 50.1% of the local GDP in 2020.